Hey guys, I'm MJ. I'm back. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami cricket. Its biological name is cicada. It's usually found in the warmer climates. First, I'm using this paper because I have another paper, but this is a little bit stylish. Now, you can use any kind of paper. Now make a square. If you already have a square paper, you can use that. Now you have a triangle like this. Fold it into a triangle. Now take this part upwards. And again take this part here. Now fold it downwards like this. There should be a line like this. Same way do it here. Take this part now. Fold it downwards. You can see that it's coming like this. Now fold it a little bit with a little bit gap here. Now take the whole thing and fold it like this. Again take this whole thing and fold like this. Both should be equal. Press it nicely. Now take a marker. Put a line here. Now you can add eyes. That's it, it's done.